Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. If you joined us in part 1, we already have our colorful jelly cubes ready. Now, we'll show you how to make the creamy base and assemble the Cathedral Window Gelatin so it turns out perfectly every time. Let's dive in. Have you ever seen a dessert so beautiful it looks like art? Cathedral Window Gelatin, also called stained glass jelly, is exactly that kind of treat. It is a stunning Filipino-style gelatin dessert famous for its vibrant, mosaic appearance set within a snowy, creamy base. Think of stained glass windows brought to life in a sweet, chilled form. This dessert is hugely popular for family celebrations. Whether you are planning for Christmas, New Year, a birthday party, or a potluck, Cathedral Window Jelly looks incredibly fancy while remaining budget-friendly and simple to prepare. Many people find it intimidating, but the process is surprisingly straightforward. This guide will walk you through what makes this dessert so special, the basic ingredients you need, and a simple method overview, along with tips for achieving smooth, firm, and flawlessly colorful results every time. Understanding Cathedral Window Gelatin, colors, taste, and texture. Before diving into the kitchen, it helps to understand what makes this dish so appealing. The visual impact of Cathedral Window Jelly dessert is unmatched. It demands attention on any serving table. The combination of intense colors and smooth texture turns simple gelatin into a centerpiece. What makes Cathedral Window Gelatin different from regular gelatin? Most standard gelatin desserts, such as plain jello molds, feature a single flavor and uniform color. Cathedral Window Gelatin takes a much more complex, layered approach. This dessert is defined by its use of many individual colored jelly cubes, often fruit-flavored like lime, strawberry, and grape, suspended within a thick, opaque white base. The creamy white section is usually made from milk, heavy cream, or sweetened condensed milk, giving it body and sweetness. Because it uses small colored cubes set in a solid base, the resulting dessert, once unmolded and sliced, clearly displays a striking stained glass pattern. It is the contrast between the translucent, bright fruit jellies and the solid, milky setting material that creates this effect. How Cathedral Window Gelatin tastes and when to serve it. The flavor profile of Filipino Christmas gelatin is wonderfully balanced. It offers a light, appealing sweetness that isn't overwhelming. You get the creamy taste of the milk base mixed with bursts of fruity, tart flavor from the colored jelly cubes. Many find it refreshing and easy to eat, especially after a heavy holiday meal. Because of its vibrant, festive appearance, Cathedral Window Gelatin is traditionally served during major holidays like Christmas and New Year. However, its refreshing taste makes it ideal for serving year-round, particularly in warmer climates or at summer gatherings. Kids love the bright colors, making it a hit at children's parties too. It provides a light, chilled dessert option that guests of all ages enjoy. Simple Cathedral Window Gelatin recipe, ingredients and step-by-step guide. Making this colorful dessert is easier than you might think. Focus on preparing the colored jelly base correctly and ensuring the cream mixture is the right temperature before assembly. This simple Cathedral Window Jelly recipe will ensure success even for beginners. Key ingredients for colorful and creamy Cathedral Window Gelatin. The ingredients are straightforward and easy to find in any grocery store. The key is separating the gelatin preparation into two phases, the colored cubes and the white base. Flavored gelatin powders. Choose 3 to 5 distinct, bright colors like red, green, yellow, and purple. These form the stained glass pieces. Unflavored gelatin. This is used for the creamy white base to ensure it sets firmly. Sweetened condensed milk. This provides most of the sweetness and creaminess for the base. Evaporated milk or all-purpose cream. This adds to the creamy texture of the white base. Sugar and water. Needed to dissolve the gelatin and adjust sweetness, if necessary. For customization, you can use coconut milk or plant-based cream instead of dairy for a dairy-free dessert. Some home cooks also save time by using ready-made flavored jelly from the store, cutting it into cubes, and skipping the initial cooking step. Step-by-step method to assemble the stained glass jelly effect. The magic happens when you combine the firm jelly pieces with the liquid cream base. Follow this simple 6-step guide on how to make Cathedral Window Gelatin successfully. And there you have it. Your stunning Cathedral Window Gelatin is ready to serve. Look at those beautiful colors shining through the creamy base. Try this at home and impress your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.